Welcome to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews and analysis. In today's episode, we're diving into the ASRock B760M PG Lightning Wi-Fi motherboard. This motherboard is designed to support 13th Gen and 12th Gen Intel Core processors on the LGA1700 socket. And it's packed with features to enhance your PC experience. The ASRock B760M PG Lightning Wi-Fi motherboard is compatible with both 13th Gen and 12th Gen Intel Core processors, making it future-proof and ready for the latest technology. The LGA1700 socket ensures a secure and reliable connection for your CPU. This motherboard supports DDR5 memory technology, allowing for faster data transfer speeds and improved overall system performance. With support for up to 7,200 MHz, you can take full advantage of high-speed RAM modules. The ASRock B760M PG Lightning Wi-Fi features a 7+1+1 power phase design, along with Dr. MOS technology for V-Core and GT, ensuring stable power delivery to your components. This results in better overclocking potential and overall system stability. The motherboard comes with one PCIe 5.0x16 slot and one PCIe 3.0x16 slot for expansion cards and high-speed connectivity. It also offers multiple graphics output options, including HDMI and DisplayPort, for versatile display setups. Equipped with Dragon 2.5G LAN and 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6E. This motherboard provides fast and reliable network connectivity. Bluetooth 5.3 support adds wireless convenience to your setup. The ASRock B760M PG Lightning Wi-Fi features the Realtek ALC897 7.1 carbon monohydride HD audio codec and Nahimic audio, delivering high-quality audio for an immersive gaming and multimedia experience. With 4 SATA3 ports and 3 Hyper M.2 slots, you'll have plenty of storage options to accommodate your data needs. The motherboard offers a variety of USB ports, including one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C and 5 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, along with 6 USB 2.0 ports for versatile peripheral connectivity. The ASRock B760M PG Lightning Wi-Fi comes in a micro ATX form factor, making it suitable for compact PC builds without compromising on features. In conclusion, the ASRock B760M PG Lightning Wi-Fi motherboard is a feature-packed option for those looking to build a high-performance PC. With support for the latest Intel processors, DDR5 memory, and a range of connectivity options, it's a solid choice for gamers and enthusiasts alike. That wraps up our review of the ASRock B760M PG Lightning Wi-Fi motherboard. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this motherboard, please leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next episode of Product Critique.